Reward apps on Android don't pay a fixed rate per hour or per task. They pay based on advertiser demand, available offers in your region, and how many actions you complete that are actually tracked correctly. By the end of this, you'll know 5 reward apps people use on Android for payouts, how each one generates earnings, and what really decides whether your earnings stay consistent or drop off after a few days. Start with how these apps actually make money. Every reward app connects you to advertisers. Those advertisers pay the app when you complete actions like installing games, answering surveys, scanning receipts, or trying products. The app shares a portion of that revenue with you as points or cash. So, payout ranking is really about 3 things: offer volume, payout consistency, and how reliable tracking is. First category is game-based reward apps. These apps pay you for installing mobile games and completing in-game milestones. They usually feel active at the start because new games give easy early rewards, but once you run out of available games, earnings slow down. Second category is survey-focused reward apps. These apps are more stable in availability. Surveys are almost always there, but payout per task depends on demographics and demand. Some users see more high-value surveys than others based on profile targeting. Third category is cashback and receipt apps. These apps reward you for shopping activity. You scan receipts or link purchases and earn cashback on eligible items. Earnings depend heavily on your normal shopping habits, not daily app usage. Now here's what actually decides which app feels highest paying. It's not the app name. It's offer flow. If an app consistently shows new tasks, you can keep earning. If offers dry up quickly in your region, earnings drop even if the app is popular globally. Tracking accuracy also matters. If your activity isn't recorded correctly, you lose rewards even after completing tasks. And payout structure changes everything. Some apps require more accumulated points before withdrawal, which makes them feel slower even if earnings are similar. So the smarter approach is not picking one best app tada. It's testing one from each category and keeping the one that gives you the most consistent offers in your region. Summary: Android reward apps earn through ads, surveys, games, and cashback systems. Earnings depend on offer availability, tracking reliability, and payout structure. No single app is consistently highest paying for everyone. Next step: install one game-based, one survey-based, and one cashback app. Then compare which one gives you the most consistent earning opportunities in your first week. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without inflated claims or misleading hype.